Hi, these are my top 5 double-click shortcuts in Microsoft Excel. Did you know you can hide the ribbon bar by just double-clicking on any tab or the ribbon? So let's select the Formulas tab and double-click to hide it. You can select the Data tab and double-click to unhide it. You can also navigate to the last cell containing data within a row. So let's come to this cell. I want to jump to this cell. I'll just come back here and double-click. It jump to that cell. Let's select another cell. I'll double-click again to jump to the last cell containing data within that row. You'll notice my product column is formatted in a special way, and I would love to have this formatting for the rest of the column. I'll just select the column, go to the Home tab, and just double click this brush. So I can easily copy it to the rest of the cell. Cool. Then you can adjust your column width by just double clicking. Let's assume this column is shrinked and you can't see the content there. You can just double click to see the content that is within that column. In this column, I would love to get the amount for my product by multiplying quantity by price. So I'll type in the cell equals quantity times price. So to get the remaining answer for the rest of the column, all I have to do is just double click like this and it populates for the rest of the column. So there you have it, my top 5 double click shortcuts. Found it useful? Give it a thumbs up, follow for more.